Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Juta Padakamalam. Natural. I want to love somebody. It is not unnatural. When that love is reposed to Krishna, that is perfect. The Mahavadi, they are frustrated. Therefore they want to make this love into zero. They cannot understand Krishna's love with gopis. They think it is another edition of this material. Oh. How are you? How are you, Prabhu? How are you? You look better. You are looking better, brighter than I saw you in Nivindam last. You have got so much talent for serving Krishna. Everyone has got. That I am speaking. We have to utilize. From the very beginning I met you. I selected to edit. That was the starting of our back to God. He's good typist, you know that? I think he's the best of all of our men. He can type very swiftly and correctly. I think in our group, Guru Prabhu and Satsaru Maharaj are very good typists. And Jayadvaita, I think you are also, no?
Yes.
You are good typist. So why you have not published Bolimardhan's article?
Vanimeda's article.
Yes.
We were waiting. We weren't sure if it was appropriate to publish it.
He thought disappointed. He has published. He has written very nice.
He has written nicely.
Yeah.
We can publish it.
So we should. Yes, here is it. What is that?
Illusion and Reality.
Yes.
2 essays.
He has presented very nicely. So we should encourage our men.
Publish it.
Yeah. And our men, all our men should write. Otherwise, how we shall know that he has understood the philosophy? Writing means Savanam Kirtanam. Savanam means hearing from the authority. And again repeat it. This is our business. Savanam Kirtanam Vishnu, about Vishnu, not for any politician or any other thing. Savanam Kirtanam Vishnu, about Krishna or Vishnu. And that is success. Hear and repeat, hear and repeat. You haven't got to manufacture. Any one of us, simply, if we reproduce the part which I have given in Bhagavad, you become a good speaker. Now what I am doing? I am doing the same thing, writing the same thing. So that modern man can understand. Otherwise, we are repeating the same thing. They are repeating also same thing. sense gratification. Punah punah charvita charvanana. But because that is material, they are not getting happiness. But the spiritual thing, we are chanting the same Hare Krishna simply, repeating, but we are getting transcendental bliss. What we are doing? Same Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. So, process is the same, the subject matter is different. So why you are behind publication? Now all the big men are here. Why our books are behind? Why? Here the editors are there. I don't think there is any scarcity.
Now there is no scarcity.
Huh? Formerly it was. Oh.
If we want to have the books printed very quickly, they have to be printed in America, the new books.
And reprint there.
Yes, we can do that.
So why not give them some book also for original?
We are giving them a lot of business this year in Japan.
Yeah, we must deal with them very nicely. They have helped in the beginning. Yeah. I get them only $5,000 to start, and I get the order for $52,000. But they supply. They got money, they are confident that we shall not cheat them. So our relation is very nice. So utilize it. I was telling the Japanese, they like our publication.
Girl Mula Prakriti.
Huh?
The girl that was seeing you in Hawaii,
Yeah.
Mula Prakriti.
She was very enthusiastic. Mul Prakriti. Hari Jaduvar Prabhu. Right.
He's right here.
Oh, you are feeling now? Nice?
Yes, I'm much improved.
That's good. Everyone feeling nice?
Yes.
You are also feeling nice?
Now I will.
Huh?
Now I will.
Yes.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama.